Hey friends, welcome to my blog Sahla Parveen. Today I'm going to speak about a beautiful topic, a few self-care tips that you can follow actually right now because we are going through a quite difficult situation. So few things that I follow in my life is one thing, we need to take care of our health. So for that, what I do is every day I am drinking hot turmeric water. Now I will make a video on that topic separately because from past 1.5 years, by the grace of God, I haven't got even a single sickness or cough or throat pain or anything from past 1.5 years. Now it's just not because of the turmeric water. I have changed my food habits drastically. I have made 75 to 80 percentage of vegetables and fruits into my diet, and I do work out at least for 10 minutes in a day, and I don't go out. I stay at home. I try to be more hydrated. So these steps have really helped me to be very healthier, though we are going through a very difficult time right now. So I will make a detailed video about this later. So this is one strategy I am taking, a tip, a self-care tip, that is take care of your health. That is the first and most important thing, physical health. Second thing is take care of your mental health. Now every day what's going around us, it's so disturbing, difficult, and let me just tell you, if you feel to cry, it is okay, please cry. If you feel hurt, if you feel all that frustrating feelings, because my friends, people call me and say they are not able to manage the stress that's going inside, what will be the future, it's okay to feel all that. Everyone are feeling those pains deep inside, even me. I feel so helpless seeing the news. So one thing I do is, of course, I get updated with the news because we have to know what's going around, but just 2 times I see the news just to know what is going around, because in detail, even if I see the news, I cannot do anything for anyone other than to pray for them or just help with the financially or anything. I cannot go and help. So seeing the negative news deeply is going to actually give you, emotional panics, emotionally hurt so much. So watch the news just to update what's happening in a day. Do not watch news more than 10 minutes. That's going to actually emotionally hurt you. That's one thing you can do to your mental health. Even if you don't do anything else, at least don't feed yourself with a lot of negative aspects. Take care of yourself as much as you can. Stay at home. That is something I do. Now when you stay at home, what happens is you are seeing the same wall, same things, same everything, and that's going to again make you feel sad and depressed and all that. So one thing what I do is I keep rotating my furnitures all around the home, at least once in a month, at least, like the bedroom, I give a new change, or I just paint a wall because I love to paint, or do a new painting, or change the sofas or tables or anything. Even whatever the small space you have, give a little change to that space. That gives you a fresh feel, a new feel to look at. So all those little things, but when you do, you can see a much different. And just keep your home as much as clean as possible. For me personally, a clean place gives much calmness than a messy place. But it's okay to get messy. Doing whatever you feel to do that makes you calm is okay, because what's important right now is, we have to survive, we have to exist through this, we have to go through this, we have to go forward, okay? And see, even if we couldn't help anyone, at least help yourself by staying home, taking care of yourself. This is important, very important, okay? Next is, do some kind of work at least for 1 hour. Most of the time, say people say that, I'm not able to do a work, at least for 1 hour or 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, if you can increase, okay? Do a work that can lead to the purpose, okay? So if you feel lonely, call someone and talk. and don't just keep working on your negative thoughts more and more and more. Don't make a big bundle out of it. Talk to someone you understand, okay? And don't talk to the people who will actually increase your negative feeling or make you more panic. You know who are your best friends, who can actually understand you and help you to come out of it, takes things that more freely, okay? So talk to those kind of people, or social media or anything just that makes you calm, not makes you bad, or not makes you feel sad. Focus on things that can actually heal you, okay? And it's okay to be real, it's okay to cry, it's okay to say I am not okay, because everyone go through pain. Being positive is not that always you have to smile and go through everything with a smile. Sometimes you may go through difficult situations, you feel to give up, but what's important is hold on the faith. Hold on faith when you are feeling so helpless, nothing around you is going right. Just take a deep breath and I say, have faith, Sahla. Things are going to get better. Keep telling this to yourself, because we will overcome this together. Take care of yourself. Love you all. Love you so much. Thank you. Bye.